To create a landing page with Canva for free, head over to canva.com and then click on Templates from the left-hand side panel. Use the search bar to search for the type of landing page you want to create, such as a business landing page. When that option pops up, make sure that you click on the Category drop-down menu and use the search bar to search for website, so that only that option populates rather than a bunch of different template types. You can either create a Canva landing page by starting with a blank website template or choose one from the available options. I liked this one over here, so I'll go ahead and click on it and then uncustomize this template. The great thing about Canva is that you can customize any of the elements that you see on this page. For instance, we can click on the text and change it from looking for a social media wizard to looking for an online business wizard. You can also select the text and then change its font to another font of your choice, change the size, as well as its appearance using any of these options from the right panel. You can also change the colors of this design by clicking on the background and then changing its color from the color picker up top. For instance, let's change this to this dark brown color and then go ahead and change the font text to this cream color. Now let me show you how to add buttons to your landing page in Canva so that they link to another section. Let's first go ahead and click on this rectangle and text to group them. Then let's click on the text and click on this link icon to add a link to another section on this page. If you click on the search bar, you'll then be able to click on these pages in this document section and then on the drop-down arrow to view all of the different sections of this landing page in Canva. Let's go ahead and click on section 3 to link this Learn More button to this particular section. Then all we have to do is click on Done to make that active. We can also make additional changes to this Canva landing page by changing the images. You can change this image over here, for instance, by clicking on Photos from the left-hand side panel, searching for a photo of your choice, such as online business, and then dragging and dropping the photo of your choice into the space provided. You can also add videos instead of images. All you have to do is click on Videos from the left-hand side panel and drag and drop a video of your choice. You can then edit that video or even trim it to make it shorter, such as 15 seconds long. In this About Me section, for instance, you can click on Uploads to change this generic photo to one of your own. So let's drag and drop an image of myself in the space provided. You can also double-click on it to change its positioning. Just like with any Canva design, you can click on any of these options from the left-hand side panel to add additional things to your Canva landing page. For instance, you can click on Elements and then on Stickers to drag and drop a sticker onto your Canva landing page. For instance, to add an arrow to get people to click on this Work With Me button. Another cool thing that you can do is reorder the sections on your Canva landing page. To do so, click on any one of these sections, such as the Client section, and then use these options over here on the left to move a section down or move a section up. You can also hide a particular section or unhide that section, lock that section or unlock that section, duplicate a particular section, or even delete it. If you wish, you can click on Add Section and then customize that from the design options from the left-hand side panel by adding a different section of your choice, and then, just as before, customizing the elements, images, text, and buttons. Feel free to make any additional changes to this landing page in Canva so that it suits your purposes and includes your own content. Once you're done, make sure to rename the landing page up top, such as to Canva landing page, and then click on Publish Website on the top right-hand side to make it live. Before you make your Canva landing page live, you can view the site address as well as its subpath. If you click on Settings at the bottom, you can toggle whether you want to turn on the search engine visibility, password protection, navigation menu, the ability to resize on mobile, as well as include a social media link preview. If you click on Pages, you can also change the URL path of each of the pages, as well as add an SEO-optimized description for this landing page. Once you're done customizing these settings, click on Publish at the bottom to make your Canva landing page live. If you want to create a full-on Canva website rather than a Canva landing page, make sure to watch the video on the screen right now.